personal wealth creating system. Binary daily profit. Make, maintain, and multiply your money. $50 to $500 a day. Embrace it and make it yours today. Embrace it and make it yours today. Yeah! Binary daily profit. Let's teach you to make $50 to $500 daily.
Right, good evening, everyone. My name is Akwacha Chukudi. I'll be the host for today's meeting on Binary Daily Profit. Before now, we've gone so far, and I know with the little experience I have today, and me being the host for today, a lot of us here are going to get a very, very good benefit. So let's get started. To me, on a day-to-day basis, before I pick a trade, I always do what they call a top-down analysis. And do my top-down analysis, I do my top-down analysis from the higher time frame. I don't joke with my trend, and also I don't joke with my support and resistance while trading. I'm a scalper. At the same time, I do swing trading. At the same time, I also do intraday trading. Okay. For the sake of this class, I'm going to come into how we can draw our support and resistance, and also our trend for a perfect understanding of the market, even without the help of an indicator. Most of the old students already know this indicator, that this is indicator BDP Worldy 3.0. Most of us already have an idea, but for now, we're going to work on this because if you have the knowledge of synthetic on how to draw your support and resistance, it's going to go a long way for you while trading. So let's dive into the business of today. To get a verified support or a verified resistance, I will start with the resistance before I go into support and resistance. I'll start with the trend support and trend resistance. I know most of you don't know trends have support and resistance. All right. To get a verified trend, you must make sure your market hits 3 to 4 positions or more points to get your verified resistance or a verified support or a verified trend resistance and support. What did I mean? What I mean is this. If you want to draw a trend, most of us have known that for some time this market was buying from this region. This market was following a specific trend upwardly. But now the market have changed a character. Okay, let me just draw a trend like this first, and I will show you guys what the change of character is. Now, this is the trend I'm going to draw here. This is 4 hours time frame. Okay, let me make use of the present market. The present, because to get a very, very good trading trend or trading support and resistance, it's better you use a present 2 to 3 present positions. What I mean is this. For instance, I will still go back to the trend. For instance, we have a support here. For now, we have a support here. Let me make it straight. Mind you, this is a high time frame. We have a support here. At the same time, we still have another support somewhere around here. So now, if we can work with this support, we note something, that this market is moving, and nobody's in, okay. We notice that this market is giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So since you are seeing a market structure like this, falling like this, you should know the market is actually on a downward trend, right? It means the market is on a downward trend, which is the present trend of the market, I remember now I said I'm going to show us something before this market changes character. Let's just take that we are not seeing this part of the market, for instance. You're not seeing this part of the market, for instance. This ending part. Imagine you're not seeing this part. You don't know when this market wants to reverse to this point. So how will you know the market have changed its character? Now, guys, like I said, let's imagine right now that we started this analysis from somewhere around here to these positions now. We don't know this market is going to change anytime soon because we are still following this market. We are still following the trend because we say make the trend your friend. Now, if you have to draw a trend first, before now, this is how we draw the trend. After drawing a trend, hitting 1, 2, 3, 4 positions, probably this resistance, this trend you see here is actually called a trend support. At the same time, we can equally get a trend resistance. Mind you, this is a higher time frame. I will still zoom out for us to see a clearer picture of what I'm doing. So not to panic. Now, this is a trend resistance. Trend resistance, in essence, that where the market goes and touch the market and falls back to the trend support, it still went back there and comes back, and the market is on an upward trend. That is why it's going back to the trend resistance, the upper one. Now, peradventure, this market is falling down here to this point here. Let me zoom out a bit, or let me use the 1 hour time frame to make it clearer for us. I think this is far better. Okay. Now, like I said, if you notice this support of the trend, markets have hit here, hit, going up, giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. From here, it shows what its market has been doing. There's a support here. It's still going up. Anytime you see a market structure like this, if this height is not coming to the present support, it means the market is on an upward trend. When the market is doing like this, we know the market is on an upward trend. Okay, without further ado, let me continue where I was. Now, if you're able to identify this market on an upward trend like this, to what point do you know this market want to reverse, which is called a change of character? Which is called a change of character. This point, you will notice something that, remember I said, let's assume that we've not seen this part falling. This is where the market is, okay? We've not known that this market is going to fall up to this point. Now, let's take this out again. Imagine that this market, when it comes here, we sold the market. It came back there, we bought the market. It's about going up to this point, because most of us would think the market is going to come to this point, but it did not. Now let me explain something to you, what I do in trade. Now, mind you, this trade is actually trickish. It's better you take what you want and leave. For instance, if I'm in a trade like this, if the market have reached a trend resistance, which is the upper one, the trend resistance, I don't enter the trade immediately for a sell. No, I don't. I wait for the first 2, 3 candles to play out, then I will enter that trade for a sell. To some extent, not even to the previous, I can enter the trade somewhere around here, up here, after it has hit 3 or 4 candles below. I can enter a trade, even if buyers are entering, I'm not even panicking, because that's these spikes, the green and the red, they are actually the dynamics of the market. But people think when they are losing, they think that is the end for them in the trade. No, once you understand the trend, because I know this trend is going to fall to my favor downwardly to some point. And since I've noticed that this market is actually playing something of an higher high, higher low, which is market is falling and going higher, I will know that this market, I need to leave this market even before it comes to this point. I'm excited to leave this market around here. Let me show you I'll be able to leave this market. If I enter up there, I'll be able to leave this market around here. I'm not being greedy, because I know from here to here, I will leave this market. I will have gotten a lot of money already. This is a higher time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. I know how much I've gotten from here to here. But some persons will want to enter the market here. What if the market break this trend and start going up? You start saying, it's supposed to fall. It's a reached the trend, it's supposed to fall. Don't do that. Always wait for it to break it first. Okay, I will still go back to there. That is where we are going next now, which is the change of character. Now, fine. After doing this, you leave the market and wait. We keep saying trading is a boring game. Yes, it's better it's boring. I will make my money than jump into a trade like a mad dog. No, I have to wait for it to come back here. Even if the trade comes back to this position, I will not still dive into the trade. I'll wait to see if it's going to break this trend line, or if it's going to keep going up. If it goes up, The first candle, I've seen the height it gives to me. I'll know this candle, this market is going to buy for some time. And now, if it's going to buy for some time, probably I'll exit the market here, somewhere around here, up parts here, because I told you guys something. Let me draw this. I can enter the market this same place after the second candle I've started forming, and I'll also exit the market around this region. Around this region is when I will exit the market. Remember I said I cannot even wait for it to reach this point because I don't know if it's going to get there. Because anytime an upward trend is moving, just take what you need to take and leave immediately. Don't stay in the market for long. Don't stay in the market for long. Even this thing alone is actually an intraday trading. From this region to this region, from this region to this region, is enough for an intraday traders to get what they want to take in the market. Now, peradventure, this market has come down to this point now, your trend. This is your trend. The trade have come to your trend support. Now it breaks it downwardly. Let me zoom a bit. Okay, we are here. If your market, if you draw your trend lines, if your markets break your trend, don't just relax your mind first to know if it's go back, if the market is going back up. If it's not going back up, it gives another candle and another red candle below again. Just know that the market has want to change character. You should know that there's a change of character in the market, which means the market want to change the pattern of play, which means the market want to be on a downward trend. Even if it's not for long, but for that specific period of time, the market will be on a downward trend. As you can see, the market started falling from here. When you enter this trade around here, for me, that's what I'm going to do, somewhere around here, probably, and also exit my trade around here. Because by then I will know the market might actually hold more down a bit. I cannot even wait up to this region because I know myself, I know I cannot wait up to this region. Now, if you are able to draw your trend, which is a vital thing every trader should learn, if you're able to draw your trend, even if you don't know your support and resistance, how to draw it, which is also a vital thing I'm going to draw now for us to see how it also affects trade, even if you're having a trend. Let me show us something again. I know why I drew this trend first. Normally, everybody would think, why didn't he draw the support and resistance first? Yes, I can draw it first, but I have a reason for drawing the trend first because the trend plays a major role in trading, even forex trading, even synthetic trading, even crypto trading. The trend plays a vital role in trading. Now, mind you guys, people will be surprised. I'm in boom 1000. I'm on buy in boom 1000. Yes, I'm on buy for a reason. Well, I will explain why I've been on buy on this trade. Okay. Now, if the market have changed a course, which is a change of character here, before then, we are going to try and get our support and resistance. Mind you, if you're drawing your trend at the same time, you need to draw your support and resistance for more guidance, right? For more guidance. Now, imagine we want to draw our support and resistance now. I always use the higher time frame, which is 4 hours. To draw anytime I want to draw, then I'm back to 1 hour to see a clearer picture. At times I will zoom to see more before deciding anything I want to do in the market. Before deciding anything I want to do in the market. But the fact that this market now I've been on this trend like this. Now, if I'm to draw my support and resistance, I should know something that this market have reached a highest height over here. I think I should change this candle to red. I have to change this. Let me change this one. Okay, now this is what I do because most times if I'm drawing my chart, I'm always having different support even in every region you're seeing here because I always try to avoid the spikes. Even if market is going up and selling, the way you are seeing this market, let me zoom out again a bit. Okay, the way you are seeing this market now, this like from here going up and falling down, I'm always having my support in every region. And I used to put something here like sell candle last point for me to know this is my selling zone. I'm always doing that for me to know this is my selling zone in everything I do. And if I'm to put a support, I'm going to indicates a buying. Okay, now this is a resistance, a highest resistance on this present chart. This is the highest resistance. Okay, and now if you are to, and remember, you said if you are to get a verified resistance or a minor resistance, the market must have reached 3 to 4 or more points, 3 to 4 or more points before you can say this place is a verified point for you to enter a sell from. At the same time, I'm going to teach us, I don't know if there'll be more time, I'll teach us how to set a pending order also. If there's no time, probably the next class, I'll teach us how to set a pending order. If you want to follow your trend and be trading. For instance, what I mean by pending order is this, and I will continue. Let me just give you a brief hint of what pending order is for those of us that don't know what pending order is. A pending order is this. Peradventure, I drew a trend like this. Maybe this is my trend. Peradventure, this is my trend like this, right? Because I believe this trend is also accurate. Yeah, it is. Because market hits here, goes up, come here a bit, goes, break it and come down and goes back up. Okay, fine. Now, this is a trend, right? Now, if I'm to set a pending order, what I mean by pending order is this. I can set to set the pending order that this market can come around this resistance, can buy up to this point, but I want to go and sleep. I want to go to bed. I can set it that anytime this market hit here, come to this point, 1 minute, anytime this market come to this point, or even below it, or it should start selling for me. That you cannot break. There's nothing that will happen that this market will break this resistance of my trend here. So I can set a pending order and I'll go to bed. Probably set a stop loss below it here. That maybe before I wake up, market will have given me the profit and I'll take the profit. Let me use 3.0 that most of us have. Okay, for instance, this is our indicator 3.0. Most of us have it. I can decide to set a pending order here on this purple line here. Even if the market falls down, no problem. Following morning, I can close the pending order I placed in its stand. I can also set a pending order above it that anytime this market goes up, it must surely come down because that is the market structure. Anything that goes up must surely come down. Okay, now that is about pending order. Probably if I'm not able to teach us how pending order works in this class or how to set it, in the next class, I'm going to teach us how pending order works. Okay, fine. Now we've seen that this market is actually on a downward trend. The present trend of this market is a downward trend. So what will a trader do? Not just a trader, because I cannot say a scalper. What will an intraday trader or swing trader do in this market? What they will do is they will be in this market for a sell because they know even if they are running negative, surely the market will come into positive for them. Even if it takes them 1 day, 2 days, they know the market will surely come back to them positive. But as a scalper that we are, if we want to be in this trade, we can buy a little. I can place a buy. Before it will reach this point, I'll close the buy if I get like $3, $4, $5, because at times I scalp also. If I pick it, I can enter also for a sell because I know it's going to come back for me. Because all my trade, I buy, I sell. I don't just sell, I buy, I sell. Though I learned how to sell basically because people don't know how it is to lose because they want to enter a sell to be getting the money. They want to be seen positive. No, don't think at it that way or don't look at it that way. Always think of the bright future, which is this. Remember, if you enter a buy, you'll be running negative first, but you don't know the advantage of it. If the trend is in your favor, you can never lose that money. At the same time, I know we are trading on Boom 1000, which has a very high leverage. We'll say, okay. Also, I also trade on Boom 500. Also trade on Boom 500. All right. Now, the difference between Boom 500 and Boom 1000 is that on Boom 1000, you can use a lower lot size or you can use 0.2 lot size on Boom 1000. On Boom 1000, which is around $7, right? And also on Boom 500, you can use 0.2 lot size also on Boom 500, but it's around a margin of $2.50 something cents. In the next 5 minutes, Boom 1000, which is 7 point something dollar margin, can be giving us, should I say, roughly $2 to $3, okay? Okay, let me just say $3. Why the one of Boom 500 in that same 5 minutes can be giving us $2.50. So that is no reason why if you don't have huge, they have $10 capital, $20 capital, trade on Boom 500. It's the same thing. They work alike, but just the difference of the lot sizes and same lot sizes but different margin. I know each of everyone of us here know what margin is. If you're a new trader, if you don't know what a margin is actually the amount of money you're willing to risk in the market, same as a lot size. The lot size is what we have here, like this 0.2 you're seeing on my screen. The margin of this trade, okay, just for instance, the margin of these two trades I enter, 0.3 lot size and 0.2 lot size, the whole total is $9.52. Now imagine with $9.52, I was able to make $76. Probably it might be more when the time comes, but that is the thing. That is the mindset. We can use a little money to get more. Most times, if you understand the trend of the market, you will get more, even with the little money you have. So I think next time we're going to continue from here. Because I was actually giving 30 minutes only to round up. Probably next time we'll still go back into the trend and also the support. So I'll go into pending order info. So without further ado, I think I will have to end my own section. Thank you guys. But if you have any question to ask me, you can as well ask, please. Before Mr. Richmond continues. If you have any, anybody?
Good evening, moderator.
Yeah, good
Thank you
evening,
very
Mr.
much. I
Stanley.
followed what you said. Yes. The thing is that since I'm a novice here, like the lot size, and I don't think the technicalities you're just doing, I don't understand the technicalities behind those
Yes.
arrows you are
Yeah, I
drawing.
know. I'm
But
just
what
trying to let me explain something to you. Okay. Continue. Sorry.
okay, what do
Did
you
I
think
explain what you're trying to say about it?
let me finish, sir. Sorry. The other orga that normally handles says that show that with the indicator will tell us when to exit the market and when to buy. We should just follow the trend. That is using the indicators. But this one, you are taking us on a new class of FX. And so I think that one, the thing is that if someone should use the indicators and know when to buy, like I know I know how to follow the trend. You understand? So I think that would be the best. I know I'm busy.
Okay.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
that the question you want to ask me?
yes, that is the question. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption.
Okay. Now, let me answer the question. Okay. Now, normally, what I'm trying to show us here is this, that imagine peradventure you're not having an indicator to guide you through the success of why we are here. Imagine you don't have this. Okay. The indicator is also a tool that will guide you as well. But mind you, to be a profitable trader in life, you need to understand how a trend of a market functions, even how to get your support and resistance with just a plain chart, even without the indicator. The indicator is an extra guideline for you to make you get more money. I don't know if you understand me. And you said as you're a novice here about the lot sizes. Don't worry, there's a teaching separate for lot sizes. I'm just trying to like round up different things. Yeah. Probably Mr. Richmond might still give you insight about the question you asked me also, for you to have a clearer picture. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Mr. Chukwudi, for the awesome teachings that you're giving us this evening. The question that was just asked, just like he said, he's new here. Mr. Stanley is new, and he's getting to understand the system. What he knows thus far is your personal wealth creating system that has helped us to simplify the trading patterns. Normally, as a trader, what Mr. Chukwudi showed us this evening is what we call analysis, that you analyze the markets to know the trends. I repeat, you analyze the market to know the structure, the trend of the market. So based on the trend of the market, you know how to what? How to trade, whether you're going to buy or you're going to sell. But with binary daily profits, it simplifies that aspect in the sense that you do not necessarily need to always be on the chart, on the plain charts. With binary daily profits, what it helps you do is that it paints a picture, like what you're seeing on the screen right now. So many persons will be confused. But with binary daily profits, once you apply the binary daily profit on this chart now, it will paint a picture of where most of this is supposed to happen. But binary daily profits will not replace, I repeat, binary daily profits will not replace the normal pattern that you use in doing your analysis, which is by drawing your trend line, your support and resistance. It is a guide that will help you enhance your trades. Remember, I said something yesterday that even though we are handing over binary daily profit trading system to you that simplifies the process, does not mean that we are going to leave you without us teaching you some basics of what? Trading, which is first and first, how to identify the trends. What Mr. Chukwudi has shown us this evening is how we can identify the trend by learning how to draw our support and our resistance, our trend lines. What he has just shown us this evening, we have a video that I did some time ago that breaks this thing down in totality, that uses some real life analogies to explain your support, your resistance, your trend line. We are going to share those videos. By the time you watch them, what Mr. Chukwudi just showed us this evening will make a whole lot of sense. I'm going to drop it this evening or probably tomorrow morning alongside this video so that we'll have a total understanding of how it works. I repeat, so that we'll have a total understanding of how this works. Once you have that total understanding, every other thing will align. Now, like I said, what we have learned this evening is an addition. What we have learned is an addition. What we are learning is the structure of the market, how to enhance what we already know or what we are going to know with the binary daily profits. If as a trader, the first thing you do every day when you come into your chart is do what we call, top-down analysis. The other day, I used the indicator to show us how to do top-down analysis. But we're also going to show you how you can also do your top-down analysis on your plain charts. In fact, let me share with us. Let me open a plain chart and share with us. Mr. Chukwudi, I appreciate you. I'm going to take over the screen right now. We have about 5 minutes to go.
All right, sir, no problem, sir.
Okay. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so without our binary daily profit indicator, this is how the chart looks like. This is how the chart looks like. This is in 1 minute. If I go to say 4 hours, you see, what Chukwudi was trying to paint for us. This is how the chart will look like in what? This is how the chart looks like in what? In 4 hours. This is how the chart looks like. This is what the chart looks like in 4 hours. Let me remove this. This is how the chart looks like in 4 hours. So if you are learning, if you want to understand how the market works, the simplest thing that you can do is by doing what? Drawing without the indicator, draw your support and your resistance lines like he did on this plain chart. It will help explain. If you understand how to draw your support and resistance on the plane chart, and then you understand how to utilize the trading system on that's a binary daily profit trading system. If you align both together, you become a professional trader. You'll be able to trade anything. You'll be able to trade Forex. You'll be able to trade crypto. You'll be able to trade synthetic or any other platform that you are, as long as it's either an MT4 or an MT5. So what Chukwudi is trying to show us is how to solidify you to become a better trader. But when we train you on just the binary daily profits, you can utilize it. But to become a stronger trader that will be able to understand what is happening in the markets, not just what the binary daily profit is doing for you, so that any other chart you go to, you'll be able to analyze. That is what we're actually showing you. Alongside also showing you how to utilize the binary daily profits. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're making sense, sir.
Okay. So basically, what we are doing now, this is a practice account. I repeat, this is a practice account that we are using to teach you, which we are going to do later today. I'm going to drop the link for the new persons. The link that you use in opening your Derive account. You follow, we also drop a video that will teach you, show you how you can open your Derive account. That's your broker account. How to download your MT5 on your computer or on your smartphone. For those that registered yesterday, you're getting your this evening. You're having access to the academy where you have videos beyond the Telegram group, where we have the instructional videos, so many other videos that you go through, and you have a total understanding of what we are talking about, both for the indicators and your personal operating system. Are we there? So what we are doing now, today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, and then Saturday, we'll have revision. It's basically teaching you the support, resistance, the trend line, how to draw the trend lines, how to draw your channels, what we call channels. You know, all these are guides that will help you, tell you when the market is going to buy and when the market is going to sell, where to enter and where to exit. That is the best, if you're talking about the skill sets that you need in trading, is learning when to enter and when to exit, where to enter from and where to exit. If you're a scalper, where to scalp from. If you're an intraday trader, where to ride the trend from. If you're a swing trader, all these are guides that you get to know over time. But right now, we are making it as simple as possible by teaching you what? These baby steps. The baby steps that you will use to start generating income. And then you will now choose whether you want to go deeper to understand the technicalities, other deeper technicalities that will make you a holistic professional trader. So what we are doing, like I said, is making sure that we take you by the hands and show you how to generate income on a day-to-day basis. That is the intention. Are we together?
Yes, sir. I'm with you, sir.
Okay, good. So for those that are listening, you'll be having access to the academy. We are going to send you for on your WhatsApp. We'll send you the if you've submitted your email, you're going to receive an email, that will give you the ability to create your login and your password to have access to the academy. And then you also receive the videos that will guide you on what to do as per the indicators, how to set up and all that. And if you're here, you've not gotten your indicator, simply communicate with us. We'll show you how to go about it so that you start implementing it as soon as possible. So we appreciate everybody for being here. Tomorrow too, we'll continue step by step. All what we are doing here, you see that it will make a whole lot of sense for you at the end of the day. All what we are going to do will make a whole lot of sense for you at the end of the day. So just bear with us. All these little things, what Mr. Chukwudi showed us today is a foundation that is being laid. But there will be an additional video that will come with it that breaks it down. That will use the, like I said earlier, our day-to-day life to explain what support and what resistance is and how to utilize it. and how it will help you in your day-to-day trading life eventually.